Well, last night I was telling Tommy and Banshee, and it's either thundering out or someone shooting fireworks. It's rumbling. Well, now it's 10:30 a.m. in the morning, Wednesday, May 24th, year 2023, and I hear the same rumblings. It did it twice already. I don't know if the Earth's getting ready to do an earthquake, or the government's testing a newfangled stealth project in the sky, but it's making a rumbling sound in the sky. It started doing it again, but it wasn't as loud. I was praying to this I get this on camera. It's either that or someone's drilling underneath with a plasma drill, making secret tunnels. Jesus Christ, Lord, Savior, God, all capitals, means the true God. All lowercase means the Antichrist, the false Christ, the dragon, the devil, Lucifer, devil, and the fallen angels that people think are aliens. The devil's delusion. I pray this whole world gets saved, but it's too late, because God's right around the corner, closer than you think. John 3:16. For God so loved the world that he gave his only begotten Son, that whosoever believeth him shall not perish but have everlasting life. John 3:16. They're making man-made clouds, man-made weather machines, Tesla's man-made earthquake machine. A lot of Tesla's ideas, each country around the world took the plans of Tesla and used it for the military purposes.